Can't go with that first one with just them speakers. Had to swap the whole speaker thing up. I'm going with the whole setup. Yep, this what I'm doing on Punisher. What I'm doing on Punisher. But this y'all see it. I don't gotta explain none of that. Y'all know I'm going with Scar. I could take them out. I could run it like that whole or take them out. I think I'm gonna take them out and put it to this and mount them somewhere. Everything getting ran to an amp. Yep, these one I put in my truck right here. I like how these sound. 4 on. 2 of them. One with new concept. 8 gauge set. Then I got the line output 7. Got the Pro. How that thing look. That. Damn. Man, I'm about to be bumping on my motorcycle. And this amp is heavy too, y'all. Amp heavy. The ones y'all got the street glide, y'all, you know, all y'all think change, y'all think turn, all that turn. Mine, y'all know what it is. But I ain't going with no goddamn Harley Davidson boom box, whatever you want to call it. Then I got 2 line output. That's the audio pipe. Yep, there you go. So I don't know which one I want. I think I'm gonna run Nielsen. But yeah, let me get to this install and I get back at ya. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all this. Put some highway pegs on there too. Chrome spot and the shift link. Changing that. The thing look nice, but it gonna look right. Hey, let me show y'all the rim right quick. There go there, baby. 26 inch. Went with the Shinko. I'm getting some new forks and a tripper. The rake kit. That rake kit high as hell. Like, man, y'all let me know where I can find this stuff cheap at. Right now I'm looking about $1,500 for the rake kit. Yeah, nice. Go to before. How that one look. They go to after. I think that thing look good and then sun. Man. So that old shift link. About to replace it with the new. That's how the old one look. So the new shift link put on. Yeah, getting it ready. Got my pumps and stuff, horn. I get back at y'all. Finna get ready to hook this system up. Yeah, my people, I'm done with it now. Got the amp mounted up. I just put some silicone right there. So I ain't know what to do right there, but I just put silicone front and back. Got all the wires loaned up. Y'all probably can see it back there. These my tweeters right here. Got the wire fixed up for my lights and stuff. These for my lights. Yeah. Got it all done. Sound good too. Got some new speaker lids. I had them for a minute. Oh yeah, getting it right. Yeah, y'all see all these bikes in the way, they all in my way.
I do what I want, I do what you don't, for real. I do what I want, I do what you don't. Yeah, I do what you do. I do what I want, I do what I want. I do what I want, I do what I want. What's happening, TT?
Okay, y'all gotta be quiet. Y'all gotta be quiet.
Sexy little bitch, sexy little hoe. I love the way you walk.
Yeah, that's the end of the video right there. I hope y'all like the video. Like, comment, subscribe for me. You know, hey, I appreciate the subscribers though. What I got. But you know, this the end of it. I couldn't really play much audio, but I'm gonna give y'all some more. I get at y'all. Peace.